Hello everybody, it's Ninja Clearly right here. Welcome to this update video. This is sort of like a thing about the new year, because it's now 2015. I haven't been on the YouTubes for a year yet, but it's still the next year, so I guess, I don't know, I'm doing a big update thing. It's come to my attention from my great friend London, thank you, today actually, that I started some series and I just never finished them, and I kind of just dropped them and never said anything about it. And so everything's kind of messy. Basically, I want to clear some things up, and I want to talk about what I'm going to keep and what I'm not. So basically, I started the Mineplex snippet thing a long time ago. I was going to do Minecraft snippets or the arcade snippets. I didn't really have a name, but I was going to do something like that because I didn't have a series. And people kept asking me, I was like, hey, it could be a series. It really didn't work out, and I don't think it's a good idea. If I want to post a random video of random stuff, I'll just post it as random stuff. I might bring it back someday. I don't know, probably not. So that's been dropped. Let's see, what else is there? Basically, the only series I'll be doing, I'm doing the How to Win Mineplex and the server advertising series, and then once TN, the Transcendent Network, our paintball server, once that is back up and running with more people, like I'll keep doing videos on there. But once we get it more like to where it's more consistent, like there's a good amount of people on, I'll start doing like a paintball challenge series or something. I think that would be really fun. But yeah, and then I'm also about to record the tutorial series that I was talking about, where I teach you how to record Minecraft. I'm working on my art, channel art, and just art in general. I'm trying to figure out my original character, which you've probably seen. He was my skin and stuff. I'm working on him. I'm completely redoing it and making my own style. I'm gonna add lots of extra things to him. I'll probably add them to my Minecraft skin once I actually finish it all. We'll also be doing more music stuff soon. We got this from our amazing uncle. It's a really old Mac. It still is running the Mac OS X, like the original Mac OS, not Linux. It's running Mac. So we can't do a lot of things with it, but it's still really nice because it came with Pro Tools and this interface thing. I don't know if you can see that. Here, let me unplug this. This interface, it's got XLR and like it's got everything. So we will be able to probably buy a new mic for it at some point. And the sound quality will probably go up a lot. I'm really excited about that. We'll see where that goes. So I'm going to keep doing Minecraft videos, but I also plan on doing a series. Well, I'm going to record a Portal series at some point, Portal 2, because that's the one we own. I've never played that game or the original or anything like that. I haven't played any games like that. So I think that'll be kind of fun. I think that's just about it. So expect more videos, and I'm going to keep trying to fix up my channel art and fix up everything else, and I'm also working on some other people's art. You know who you are. I'm working on that still. It should be done pretty soon, hopefully. I hope. I'm doing other things too, like school. I hate you. Anyways, so yeah, thank you for watching this little update video, and actually sticking through. If you stuck through the end, here's a cookie. This is your cookie. Take it! Take it! That didn't work. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time.